Hi, in this demonstration I want to show you the yearling roster that we have developed for the iPad. The app is perfect at the sale to show prospective buyers information on that yearling. The internet is not required, and all the data, video, and pedigrees are pre-installed on the iPad. For those of you that have an iPad, you know that the batteries will last for up to 10 hours. The app has some great features. I can search by a HIP number or do more advanced searches. I can view notes about the yearling as well as write notes. I can view a yearling's pedigree, I can view a video, and if there is one available, I can view a photo of the yearling. Let me show you how it works. We've used a sampling of 19 yearlings from Stonebridge Farm consignment, and we've used some samplings of video and photos from last year. Starting off, I can scroll the roster by swiping my finger on the screen, like so. I can simply move up or down, and the list is displayed. They're sorted by HIP. I can tap on any one of the yearlings, and it will show me the record for that yearling. More on these records a bit later, but for now, let me show you how to get back. You simply tap on the back button. If you want to do a search on the roster for a HIP number, you just enter the HIP number in the Jump to Specific HIP box. So let's say I want to search for HIP number 2. I tap there and tap Go, and up comes that record. I'll go back again. As an example of an advanced search, let's say that you want to see all the Stonebridge Regal colts that are in the consignment. You simply select the sex under the drop-down box, colt, and in the sire, there's all my sires that are listed in alpha order, and there's Stonebridge Regal right down there. I tap that, and it displays the 3 records with the 3 Stonebridge Regal colts that are in the sale. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to reset this search and show you something a bit different here. If I know the dam's name, I can simply tap that, and we have a drop-down list of all the dams that are represented in the sale, in this roster. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to select Asleep on the Beach, and there's the record for that yearling. So let's go in there. Here's a typical record, and you'll notice that on the left-hand side it's got everything there, and if there is a photo, I can tap on the photo and it brings up a full screen high-resolution photograph of the yearling. I can simply close that, and then if you have written notes, we could include all the notes on all the horses that you have in the database. Those notes would show up here. You can put in whatever you want. Alternatively, you'll notice that I've already tapped in and put some a memo in here. Let me just add one more. There we go. That's it. And if I wanted to view the pedigree, I tap here, and it brings up, in this case we're using a sample of a Trackit pedigree, but if you have the standard PDFs that your sale company provides, we can load those in, and again you just use your finger to scroll up and down or to swipe up and down to read the pedigree. I'm going to close that window, and I want to play the video. and the video is going to display in full screen. There we go. So I can just tap anywhere and I can click done. And I'm back to the record again. And let's go back to the full roster. I do a reset, clear my search, and there we go. It's that simple.